back to my channel. Hi. So today I'm going to talk about how a retired federal judge named Shira Sheldon, sorry if I mispronounced her name, talk about how Joe Biden and Bloomberg lied about stop and frisk. And she is basically the federal judge who I think deemed it unconstitutional and appointed a monitor to go there, not the Obama administration. So here is her clip from MSNBC. Now.
Bloomberg said, when I realized it was bad toward the end, I ended it and dropped 95%. That is not accurate. In the last 2 years or so, it began to drop dramatically. It dropped 67%, not 95%. But it wasn't because he realized, had an epiphany that it was wrong. It's because of the court rulings. That's what happened.
Right. And Joe Biden said that the Obama administration stopped it. I thought you stopped it.
Yes,
Is Joe Biden correct or not?
Of course he's not. You got in just ahead of me. I was going to say that Vice President Biden was
lucky I'm not in your courtroom.
That's right. He said that the Obama administration appointed a federal monitor. Totally wrong. I appointed a federal monitor in August of 2013 who didn't take office for 10 months because Mayor Bloomberg insisted on trying to appeal my ruling and getting it overturned.
So simply put, Joe Biden, in your view, took credit for something that judges actually did.
Absolutely.
This is awesome. And
well, that's just funny. And it's crazy how this is really awesome how she fact checks both of them and attacks both of them. So courtesy to David Dole from Rational National for providing this clip, as well as the person who tweeted it, Ari Melber. So, basically, she's right about this, because Bloomberg lied about how he ended the stop and frisk policy himself when it was actually a federal judge who ruled it unconstitutional because it violated the people's rights, not him. That's a lie. And also, now she exposed that the federal monitor was actually appointed by her, not the Obama administration. So, Joe, stop lying. Bloomberg, you're wrong. For real. Get that damn right. Ugh. So let's hear David Dole's opinion.
this lady, this judge, is also awesome. I love that she's discussing this openly. She doesn't care. She's just out there with the truth. This is what I like to see. And think about it. If this was anybody else, if Bernie Sanders made this lie, it would be huge news. We'd all be talking, oh my God, the media would be going crazy. Bernie Sanders lying. Bernie Sanders, a federal judge has corrected Bernie Sanders for lying about taking credit for something he did not do. Here, it's a tweet. I saw this tweet. It's not really a big news. I saw this tweet, and this is the story. Like, again, it shows you how the media treats different candidates in different ways. But here she's calling out both Bloomberg and Joe Biden. And someone else, I also just found this on Twitter. This is Blake Zeff, who tweets out, in 2012, I sat on a stop and frisk task force in the New York Attorney General office that reviewed the police tactic under Mayor Bloomberg. Last night, Mr. Bloomberg said he inherited the policy, had apologized for it, and chose to cut it by 95%. Here's a timeline of facts. Mr. Bloomberg stated he inherited the stop and frisk policy. While it began with GOP Mayor Rudy Giuliani, it was significantly expanded by Mr. Bloomberg, starting with 97,296 stops in 2002 and climbing steadily until a record 685,724 New York City men were stopped in 2011. I may not read all these tweets because there's 12 of them, but let's see what else is here. In 2012, Bloomberg's NYPD made more stops of young black men, 168,126, than the number of young black men living in the city, 158,000, and 9 in 10 of those stopped by New York City PD were ultimately found innocent of any crime each year from 2003 to 2013. What? It's insane. Imagine living, and maybe some of you did